Hello, my name's Richard, I'm from the Soap Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make slightly more advanced bath bombs. You can see these have layers of colouring. The additional ingredients we'll be using for this today are simply coloured coated mica pigments. Okay, so for this recipe we're going to show you how to add some extra interest with layered colouring in your bath bombs. In this instance we've got some coloured pink coated mica and some coloured green coated mica, which contrast nicely, and it's important that you choose coated micas because they disperse in the bath water.